one we have Laajametsänkuja. Bredsskogsgränden, 4 staircases B here, and this residential building has 6 staircases, but we have just gotten into one of these. Who knows if we get into the other 5 ones, hopefully we'll get there later. This was built in 1969, turned 50 years old in 2019, and the serial number is 16984. The best is 3 persons on white grounds and will be inspected in 2022, the next year. Let's try it. Oh, and it's fast also, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, that paper is unnecessary.
Yeah.
Well, I like these mirrors here and wood everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's really, very nice. It's great that they didn't replace this yet.
Yeah.
And they shouldn't. They have to keep it as long as possible. Look at this. 1st of September 1990.
Yeah.
Maybe. Right.
Jos teet liftiinsa tuolta, me teen pääkapseliyhdistykeskus.
Yeah. I love the sounds.
Same.
It's probably late 69.
Yeah.
But I've also been pop out.
Yeah.
I don't know if Martinlaakso has pop out or not. Probably not. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.